Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this app called Super Slime Simulator, and it's a really fun app, I guess, and you basically make slime virtually. So yeah, and before we start this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell right next to the red subscribe button to never miss any of my future uploads. So let's just start. This is how it looks on the, this is the cover and starting screen and the slime. So I'm going to be making some slime. I think I'm going to go for a metallic slime. So stirring is really like a pain because it's like if you don't want to work out and you still want to get some muscles or to get thin, just make some virtual slime. I think I'm gonna color this white because I think I'm gonna go for a pearly metallic slime thing. It doesn't look that pearly, it looks kind of silvery, so I guess I'm gonna call it something related to silvers, and I'm going to just put some stars in there because why not? Maybe I'll call it metal sky. Maybe, yeah. How about silver sky? Silver sky. Let's play with this. Whoa, it's really nice. So yeah, there's this feature here. Do you see this like circle at the bottom? Make anything, like play with the slime in any way, and then click on it. It's going to show you kind of an animated version of what you did, or like, I don't know. So let's make another slime. I think I'm gonna make a bubbly slime. By the way, this app is free to download, and this video is not sponsored, of course, but yeah. I think this is going to be like a lemonade. Oh, never mind, not lemonade. How about like an orange juice? Orange juice, carrot juice, because when we make carrot juice, there's always this like bubbles on top. I don't think I'm gonna add anything here. Carrot juice sizzle. It kind of looks like a suntan SpongeBob. That's kind of cool. So the last slime I'm going to make is going to be watery slime, which is clear slime, I think. They mean clear slime. And if you want me to make another video of showing all of the different slimes you can make, tell me in the comment section down below. And did I mention that this app is free to download? I think I did, but if I didn't, then yeah. I'm gonna make this like a midnight sky thing, or like, I don't know, like spider or something. Spider juice. Play with it. It doesn't look too clear, but it's clear, I guess. Let's try the guessing game, I guess. I think I'm going to choose the green. I know it's gonna be purple because some apps kind of cheat, I guess. And they put the one that you didn't choose, so you can keep trying and like buy some more guesses until you get the right one. And yep, I was right. No, I was wrong, but right at the same time. Let's try slime painter. Why not paint the slime rainbow? This app is really time consuming and it's Doesn't require Wi-Fi, I don't think. I have Wi-Fi on right now, but I no, it doesn't require Wi-Fi. And like, if you're bored, you can play this. If you don't have Wi-Fi, then this is a great game. Oh yeah, by the way, um, how about I share this on Instagram? You can go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, my account is slimy._.tadpose. I think I'm gonna put the link there in my description box, or just the name. And please go ahead and subscribe to Fun with Zina, because my intro that you just saw in the beginning of the video is mostly like, she has a video on how to make intros, and I used most of the steps that she used on making the intro. So thank you to Fun with Zina, and also comment and subscribe and like her videos, and tell her that I sent you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.